Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. This is another two-chord song made famous by the popular singer, actor and political activist Harry Bellafonte. It's called Come Back, LIZA. I'll sing it and then I'll go through the chords and the strumming patterns. Whenever I'm away from LIZA, water come to me eye. Every time I think of LIZA, water come to me eye. Oh, come back, LIZA, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me eye. Come back, LIZA, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me eye. I remember when love was new, water come to me eye. There was one, but now there's two, water come to me eye. Oh, come back, LIZA, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me eye. Come back, LIZA, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me eye. When the evening starts to fall, water come to me eye. I need to hear my LIZA's call, the water come to me eye. Oh, come back, LIZA, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me eye. Come back, LIZA, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me eye. Standing there in the marketplace, water come to me eye. Soon I will feel her warm embrace, water come to me eye. Oh, come back, LIZA, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me eye. Come back, LIZA, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me eye. In the shadow I stand a while, water come to me eye. Soon I'll see my LIZA's smile, water come to me eye. Oh, come back, LIZA, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me eye. Come back, LIZA, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me eye. Harry Bellafonte recorded this song in 1956. Others have recorded it, but he really owns this song. In particular, he popularised Calypso rhythm with international audiences in the 50s and 60s. His career breakthrough was a Calypso album and was the first million-selling LP by a single artist. He's also very well known for songs like Banana Boat Song, Island in the Sun. The words of those and the words of this one were written by William Attaway and Irving Berge, who was also known as Lord Burgess. It's in Calypso style, Caribbean music that originated in Trinidad and Tobago and has its origins way back into West Africa and the arrival of French planters and their slaves in the 18th century. Well, as I say, this song only has two chords in it. I'm playing in the key of F, so there's an F chord and a C7 chord. And that's all. And the pattern is the same all the way through. It's 2 bars of F, 1, 2, 3, 4, ba, da, 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 and then C7, la, da, 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 and then back to F chord. 2 bars of F, 1 bar of C7, and 1 bar of F, and repeat that all the way through. It's got 4 beats in the bar, but the beats are divided up separately because it's a Calypso style. Think of it as 4 beats in the bar divided into half beats, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and give us a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and put the accent on beats 1, 4 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's very similar, in fact it's the same as the split stroke of George Formby. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, where he's doing this. Like that. But let's do more simple rhythms. First of all, you can divide it, put extra half beats in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Odd. First time. And that's I've dampened the sang there a little bit. I sometimes also take the fingers off and make it a C6 chord. 1, 2, 3. Just makes it a bit more interesting. The other thing you can do is a little fan stroke. Look. Where you just spread the fingers across all of them, ending with the thumb. Those are the main rhythms to practice, and it'll make all the difference. I hope you found that useful, and we'll have a go at it. It's a tricky rhythm there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's what you've got to get going. Anyway, whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.